What's up, my wonderful people? Very much for tuning back into my channel, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the family. You'll be getting a remote job. I'll help you to land remote jobs, and of course I'll be posting daily. Alright, you'll get rare jobs that you can do, email and chat jobs. I do my extensive research so you don't have to. Okay, now as you know, this company is called the Transformation Factory. They just decided that they're gonna hire in Jamaica, and of course fully remote. That is my niche. Okay, so they just posted this job about 2 hours ago, and they have about 112 applicants already. Now guys, this is a contract position. However, with this you're able to answer emails in a timely manner, chat, SMS, etc. Alright, for those who are looking to get email and chat jobs, this is a perfect opportunity for you. And these are the softwares that you'll be working with: Zendesk, Shopify, ShipStation, and so much more. Now guys, I want you to go ahead and look at the schedule. You'll be working 40 hours per week, and of course your computer has to be at least i3 processor and 8GB RAM. You must have a stable internet connection, and of course a quiet, distraction-free office space. Okay, so if you're interested in this position and to join the Rockstar team, then all you have to do is record a recording to the links that you see right here. Then you send your CV to hr@seamosstransformation.com. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's know a little bit about the company. Okay, all right, so it seems they have about 9 employees in Linton already, and they're originally based in Florida. Let's check out their website. All right, so as you can see, they have a well-established website here. I'm not seeing any career section on the website, so they decided to actually do all their hirings on LinkedIn. All right, let's check on the jobs. So it's just one job posting at the moment for a customer service representative job, which is the one that they are hiring right now for. So if you're interested in this job application, go ahead and apply now, and remember to leave a like and comment. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching once more, and you do have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Happy job hunting.